Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on ZTE Blade A72. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Here we can read through introduction that shows you some interesting features of this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Customize your homepage with wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Click on next. To add the account to synchronization, I'm gonna skip it. Set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And here you can accept or disagree with data sharing. Then click on confirm, and when it's ready, the browser should open any web page, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.